Now we are going to learn about how to analyze paragraph formatting tool and how to insert pictures into this page. This way everyone knows how to type. We have studied in the previous classes. Let's now adjust the paragraph. For that, select the first paragraph. We can justify. This justify button. The two ends are justified to be in a cursive form. In order to do more work, we can select format, take paragraph, select indexes and spacing. How far should be the first line start? We can give first line and click OK. Then we have to give border to this paragraph. For that, click format menu and select borders. I select top and border. From that, we can change color of border. I selected color is blue. If we want to width of this, give it and click OK. Now we got border to paragraph. Then we can select next paragraph. For adjusting distance of paragraph, we can give space above paragraph and below paragraph here. Here I give 40 centimeter both and click OK. Now we have adjusted to paragraph. Now we want to line spacing for sentence. For that, select paragraph from format menu. I selected all sentence. We can see line spacing in paragraph menu. Here I gave line spacing 1.5. Now we got line spacing in the page. Then we have to insert two pictures to this canvas. For that, we select the image icon and click Home, School Resources, Standard 8, Images. In this, we can see two pictures that we need to add to our page. Firstly, I selected Taj and ts.jpg picture. Then open. Now that picture has appears on our page. Then adjusting the size of picture. Adjusting the size of picture. There is another image on the front of this paragraph. We can selecting paragraph for changing alignment. I give 5 centimeter in before text box and click OK. Now we can see this paragraph some moved to right side. Now we have insert another picture in this side. For that, click again image icon and open tago.jpg. Because the image is large, I adjusting this picture to left side. then I save it. In order to see the full version of this page, we can click print preview. Here, if we want to take printout, we can take printout. Okay.